What if the issue isn't that your body is breaking down, but that it's not getting the signal it needs to repair? This is where peptides like BPC-157 and TB-500 come in. They're not stimulants. They're not forcing your body to do more. They're messengers. They help support things like tissue repair, inflammation balance, and recovery. Over time, those signals can fall behind, especially with stress and demand. So instead of overriding the body, they help support systems that just haven't been able to keep up. And when repair improves, the body often starts to feel different again.